Yeah, it's unknown user, and like I said, I was gonna do the chess. No, I'll check. I was gonna do the chess near my village, and I don't know if it's gonna be a long video, but probably not, because there's only two, and that's all I have planned for this video is two chests. But yeah, and things around, I've captured some more tiles, I've done a lot more, but things have been glitching. I bought some gems, and if you can see that, I have 6,536. I didn't buy that much. I only bought one 20 pack, or one $20 pack, and it gave me like 5, and then I checked and it didn't charge me for 5, but hey, it's more gems. And when I bought some more packs, it gave me way more than I needed. So yeah. Yeah, I think it's great. So my brother walked in, and it was very awkward, so I just finished the game. Yeah, and here's what I got. Nothing too good, just 2,000 city cash, and yeah, that's all. I'll do the other one though, right now. See, treasure, yeah. Yeah, it was very awkward, so I just paused it and waited until he left. Yeah, that's pretty much all. Yeah. So like I was saying before I paused it, for you guys there's not gonna be a pause for me, but for me, I was talking about, sorry, I was talking about how the game keeps glitching out, and it gave me a lot of city packs. Like, if you were paying attention, I have 1,020, but really I only bought 30. I don't know if you guys call me lucky, but it just means more packs I have to open. Yeah. I wish. Well, and it means it's kind of good for you guys too, because you guys get to watch me open them. So that's benefit. But yeah. I don't really know what to talk about. Comment down below if your day's been going good, if anyone's even watching this. Like I've said in my previous videos, if you want me to play anything, just comment that below. Doesn't really matter for what I want to play, what you guys want to play. What if a game's not really fun? Guess I won't enjoy it. Well, obviously, but yeah, let's buy that. I'll probably make another pack opening. And then upload it Not today. I'm not uploading any of the videos. Because if you were watching my previous videos, I made a whole bunch of, well, I said I was going to make a lot of videos just today. Sorry, I'm tired. I was going to make a lot of videos today and then upload them like the next day, but I'm not going to upload. Well, I was going to upload one today, but like I said, my computer's has been acting weird. But I did create a channel because in the beginning of this video I introduced my, I don't know. But yeah, alright, let's see what we can get. Hopefully something decent. But you never know. Yeah, come on. Magic spanner. Assembly of key vehicles becomes super easy. Monkey Ace and costs 5% less than normal. I don't know, I keep yawning, but 5% less than normal for Monkey Ace and Buccaneer. I know I'm going to be using Buccaneer, but I don't know about Monkey Ace, but still pretty helpful. But no. Yeah, this is the base. Let's see what I have here. Treasure Raider. 3 treasure chests. Oh. Well, there's one right there, one right there. I'll do separate videos just trying to get out to them. There's one like right here, which I can do, but that'll be for another video. Looks like I'm gonna end it here. Well, like, comment, and if you want to see more, subscribe, and have a good day. Oh God, bye.